Welcome to Mike's Gripes. This is the first in a series of goodness knows how many videos until I get fed up basically. And it's dealing with things that irritate me in life. So there could be quite a long running series. Now the first one is this product. Now the first thing I have to say about it is there's nothing wrong with the product itself. It's something we use all the time and don't have any problems with the product itself. My issue is with the packing. Now this product is supposed to be, as the name suggests, very good for the environment because it contains less of this and lots of nothing nasty. But look at this. This is a brand new packet and there is the fill line. So basically all this is empty. Now I know the manufacturer is going to say you're actually getting 2 kilograms of powder. We will check this to see if this is the case, but at this stage I have no reason to disbelieve this claim. But what a waste of material. So all this plastic you're paying for, all of this plastic has to be thrown away, and you can imagine the distribution box that this comes in. It's probably 50% bigger than it actually needs to be. We'll actually see what this weighs now. Now bear in mind that this weight will include the plastic bottle, which we'll remove later on. Well, it's just over 2 kilograms, so I think we can probably assume that the plastic bottle is going to weigh 85 grams, but we'll work this out later. So what I'm going to do is to continue to fill this up to a sensible level, something like that, because there has to be room for expansion and settling. And I know the manufacturer is going to say we do this to allow for settling, which is nonsense, because how much agitation, you've only got to literally do that and the powder will settle. So that's no excuse. So we'll take the top off. Well, if I can get the top off. Oh, goodness me. Why they make them like this, I don't know. So we'll put a funnel in the top. And we have another one here. So we will continue to fill this and then weigh the result. Providing I don't get it all over the counter. Makes for a funny video, but it's a bit annoying. So this will show how much powder the manufacturer could have put in this plastic container. Now it's all seized up. Right, so that's allowing for, no, I think we can still put some more in there yet. There's no reason for it to have all that spare space in there. This is the agitation that the manufacturer should have done. And then they could truly claim to be green rather than just annoying. I would say that was enough. Let's just tap that down a bit. Well, there's the line. And so that's still a good inch. Probably about 2.5, 3 square inches of space left in there. And we'll put the lid back on. I think the first thing we'll do is weigh the empty container. I've removed the contents from another one that I've got, and we'll have a look and see what the weight is. Well, that's interesting. It shows 117 grams, so that means the actual powder inside was underweight, which again is a bit naughty from the manufacturer. So it wasn't 2 kilograms, it's less than. The meter is now showing minus 117 grams because I've taken the plastic container off and somewhere we've lost a gram, but we won't worry about that. So I'm going to put the complete filled container up, and this will remove 117 grams. So what we'll be looking at is purely the weight of the powder. Right, let's see what we have now. Well, again, very interesting. So we've actually got 740 grams of extra powder in there. So the manufacturer could easily, very easily, have called that 2.5 kilos, and it would still have been a large proportion of space left in the top. So there we have it. No reason whatsoever to have the box or the packet as big as it is. They've just recently changed the layout, or the bit of paper anyway. I think the container is absolutely identical. But I'd like to know that the manufacturer would either put more powder in, and I appreciate that will cost more money, but as long as it was in proportion, in fact it should be less, simply for the economy of quantity. But I suspect I'll have no reaction from this whatsoever. I'm going to send a copy of this to the manufacturer. Now this product is actually made in New Zealand, so that's why you may not be familiar with this product. But the annoying thing about this particular manufacturer is they claim to be green,